Hey guys, welcome back. We are, whoa, almost got hit by a crazy tractor driver. We are firing up the 41 Case SC to go get the other Case SC. You crazy driver. The Relics Club tractor. We're gonna haul it up by the garage and then start making headway on getting that thing running. So let's go ahead and get this SC fired up. First things first, turn the fuel on. Pretty sure the battery's dead. Oh, maybe not. We'll give it a shot. It's got enough to run the lights, but...
Why are you okay me?
I don't know if it'll run the tractor. Full choke, half throttle. Oh no, she's deader than a doornail. This battery is probably, I don't even know how old. Old. And I always hate crank starting this because the teeth are wore out, just like on the RC. Can't argue with that though. Okay. We got chain. Let's go for a rip. I'll come with. Okay, you gotta drive. Whoop. Pretty tough to do by yourself. And that's not what we wanted to do. All right, let's crank start it again. Okay, I just wanted to get it out of that hole back there. That way I can tighten up this chain and it'll kind of steer itself as it follows the drawbar. I usually pull it as tight as I can. Let's see how that works. One 41 pulling another 41. So now that we're up by the garage, we can get to work. Okay, so I zipped the manifold off real quick. It's just held on by these clamps and 4 nuts on these 4 studs. Now they do have these ferrules on the gasoline tractors. They have these ferrules that go in the intake ports. On a distillate version, it's like a longer cup that goes in there with a ferrule built onto the end of it. Hopefully I can get these to come out without breaking. I'll double nut them and see if we can't get them out. I could heat them up. All right, let's go grab a wrench and see what we can do. Okay, we got all the studs out. I chased the threads on all of them. One of them is a little rough, but it'll be okay. So I'm going to clean up this with a wire wheel and then we can go ahead and install the manifold. Okay, I've got the surfaces all cleaned up. I always spray my manifold gaskets and my head gaskets with this copper spray gasket. It's a high temp sealant. I always coat each side liberally. I've got the manifold all cleaned up. Got the ferrules in place. Now it's just a matter of getting the manifold in place and torque down. I believe it's 25 foot-pounds for this, roughly. Just want to get all the clamps in place before I go and tighten things down. I did grease the threads on the interior portion of the stud that goes into the head. So thought I had a ratchet out here. Guess not. I'll have to go find that. Okay, back with a wrench. Excuse me. Ratchet. Just snugging them all up for now, and then we'll go back through and torque them. Checking the back side. Make sure everything looks okay. Everything looks pretty good, so. All right. Go get the torque wrench. Set it up to 25. I don't know if my torque wrench is working right. That should be going off. Well, we'll just go by feel then. All right. Should be plenty good. Plenty good. Okay, manifold's on. Now we could do the carburetor. What else do we have to do? Oh, I was going to remove this pipe that's jammed onto the gear shift lever. So I'm going to have to get a cutoff wheel and make a slit down the side, because I tried driving it off with a hammer and a chisel and that didn't even move. So we'll have to just cut it down the side and split it that way.